In this video, I will demonstrate how to install a outside or floating bracket using a mounting block. When starting to install the mounting block, we're going to go ahead and find 1 3/4 out because that is what we're coupling to. I like to make multiple marks. That way I can do a straight edge so I can find true center, and it gives me something decent to work with crosshair wise. On the mounting bracket, there's a series of holes. Some are for wire and some are for screws. You can use either for either. Since we're doing a coupler, I kind of want to have that. So I'm going to mark the hole in the front and the hole in the back. Once we've done that, we can take center of those holes. And now using a 7/64 drill bit, we're going to drill out just the front and the back hole, leaving the center empty because that's where our bolt's going to go. Go ahead and remove your tape. Insert your trim screw into the mounting hole, nice and slow. Snug it up. And then the second one. That's a T10 bit and a number 6 trim screw. They do make number 6 trim screws with Phillips head. I just don't trust them as much as I do this one. And then come back with your template and make sure that your center hole is 1 3/4. This one got scooted in a little bit, so I'm going to go ahead and loosen the screws. And you can see the bracket will move in and out that little bit. It's about 1/4 inch of movement. And just reseat the bracket. Now get your 8/32 mounting stud tapered end in first. You want that sticking out about 1/2 to 3/4 inch. And you can continue with your sleeve. Now we've got our standard setup, but we didn't have to have our hanger bolt in the center. So if ever you were off and needed a place to go, this mounting block is going to be a good resource. You want to get it all the way up to where that screw is just past the bracket set screw. Once we've got it where we need it, we'll just take that set screw and pull it out. Well, it looks like I need to go one more turn. So we'll go full rotation, see where that winds us. And that looks like it's going to take. You definitely want the threads of the set screw to be chewing on the bottom part of the set screw hole. So you're bringing it out and it's chewing on the set screw hole. Go ahead and grab a square. Make sure that you're square. Make sure that you're plumb. This looks like a good install.